Today I'm going to present my project TakeControl.Money. TakeControl.Money is an investment platform where anyone can create an investment fund and users can invest using USDC. In return, they will receive some share tokens. These share tokens will be distributed with respect to the amount of investment they are doing, with respect to the total investment in the pool already. So, and then the manager of the pool, the manager of the fund, will be able to run some commands on the pool like swap token A to B, lend token A, or stake token A to earn yield. And the funds are completely isolated from the manager. They are always in a smart contract where he will not be able to withdraw the funds but only execute these commands. And at the end, the investors can burn their share token to receive the assets which are in the pool. So let me give you a quick demo. So this is the landing page of TakeControl.Money. The domain is live, but currently the indexer is running on my local computer. So the website will be semi-functional on TakeControl.Money. I want to get this live by the end of this week, end of next week probably. So yeah, on the landing page, we can see the top performing pools and how it works. So in the pool section, we can see all the different pools. Now, currently, this page is currently being mocked, and we would be able to filter out by APY and total volume logged. And in the dashboard, we will be able to see our pools and our investments. Now, this your pool section is live, so it's fetching all the pools that I have created. Now I can go and create another pool. So for example, let's just use DeFi yield optimizer. Let's give it like high return investment, something like that. And then the manager type can be human, smart contract, and agent. Currently we only support human manager type, but we want to create a SDK which would support the AI agents and smart contracts. So let's select human for now, and we can select a percentage, let's say 1% commission, and we can create the pool. Now we are using the Coinbase Smart Wallet along with the Paymaster, Coinbase Paymaster. So it's completely guestless experience, and we can see sponsored by TakeControl.Money. We can confirm this transaction and use passkeys for signing the transaction. Now once we sign the transaction, it's gonna come here and it's gonna redirect to dashboard. In a couple of seconds, we will be able to see our new pool. So let's go to pool, then back to dashboard. Yeah, we are able to see this now. DeFi high reward fund. So now we can go to this fund. Okay, the ID is wrong, probably because I didn't fix a link, but let's go to pool/1. So DeFi high lead optimizer. We can see the managed by. In this we can see the address, created at date, and the description. And this area is also mocked right now. Assets, transactions, the approved tokens is live. Actions, swap function has approved tokens now, so that is fine, but the swap function is not working. Lending and stake are under development. Swap function, the smart contract is complete, but the integration on front end is still to do. So let's invest. The invest button is working. Deposit and share allocation is also working. So for example, if I want to invest 0.1 USDC, also this is on base mainnet, so we can invest. Now with the help of smart wallets, we are able to merge these two transactions, approval of USDC and then the deposit of USDC into one. So we just confirm, and after signing the transaction, we can go back to the platform, close the model. In a couple of seconds, if we go back to that page, pool/1, we will be able to see your investment. So for the testing purpose, I have set a multiplier of 10,000 on the investment. So it's multiplied by 10,000, so we invested 0.1 and it's showing $1,000. The TVL is also live, so this is also being fetched from the smart contract. Now if we go to the smart contract in the funds, uh, we can see that there is a function to calculate total value and to get the total price of a particular token. So the price is being fetched on Uniswap uh, for a particular pair, and then the total value is being calculated by summing up of all the assets which are present in the pool. So this is being calculated on chain, and then it is being displayed here on the TVL section. Now we can go to the approved tokens. We can add support for another token. So let me just copy some of the tokens. Like there are around 15 tokens which support their token to USDC pool on Uniswap v2. We are also going to support v3, and after that we can support a lot more tokens, but for now we will be able to support these 15 tokens which support Uniswap v2 with USDC as a pool. So we can add this token, again completely guessless. So we just need to sign the transaction. After it's signed, after a couple of minutes, we can refresh the page and go to approved tokens. Now we can see there is USDC and USSI. We can also support this third token. So we just need to sign the transaction. Signed. And again we need to refresh the page. I am going to add polling into this later, so we don't need to refresh, but currently we need to refresh, and we can see the token name, token symbols which are being supported by this pool. In the actions, we can go and select different pairs we want to swap from, and we can type in the amount. Currently the swap function is not implemented on the front end, but also I want to show the indexer. So we are using Ponder for indexing all the events. It's indexing the following events like fund created, deposited, withdrawal, swap, and added support tokens. It's saying that in a Postgres database right now, and that is being rendered on the front end. Yeah, that was the project. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you.